How's it going? So today we're going to be assembling the FJ60 back together. As you saw, we got it painted, super excited. Now I'm even more excited to start driving it. But before I do that, I got to get it together. And what we're going to be doing is pretty much getting as much as we need to get it back together so we can get it inspected and I can start driving it legally. Like I said in the last video, I have bought some parts mainly for the exterior that were covered in bed liner, and these are them. I got a whole new grille, a front emblem, light bezels, and light covers for the rear. I thought I had gotten the ones for the front turn signals, but apparently I didn't. So that'll be the next thing I get. And good thing I kind of organized everything pretty well. So I got everything in baggies, labeled. This is not even a quarter of it. But pretty much you're going to be getting all the lights working, mirrors, seat belts, everything I need to make it legal so I can get it inspected and start driving it. So right now, what I'm going to be doing first is getting the grill on because I'm super excited. I've had this grill probably for a few months now, and I just want to see what it looks like on the truck. So I'll be first getting the grill and the light bezels installed first. Yeah, these new light bezels are going to look way better than what was on there before. And I didn't want to deal with taking off this liner. I didn't know what it was going to look like underneath. I don't know how hard it was going to be. I don't know how hard it was going to be. I don't know if the wire wheel was going to take off too much. Some of the plastic. I don't know if chemicals were going to kind of destroy or melt the plastic. So I just went ahead and got some new ones, and it was well worth it. I can't wait to see them on. Truck's coming along together pretty good. Yes, we got the tail lights in and the side marker lights in. The grill looks awesome. The grill and all the headlights, turn signals are in. I think it looks pretty sick. Brand new grill, light bezels, and grill emblem. We just got the headliner back in, or most of it. We're still working on it. Headliner's back in. We had to, right now Jack is just struggling to get the weather stripping, so that the liner goes over a lip right here, and then we clip it in place, and then the weather stripping comes over that lip, so it's hard to try to get the weather stripping on without without having the headliner come back off. Jack said,
a little tough.
Last time he said he did it without the clips and it was super easy.
Yeah, I had glue with a new headliner.
After that, once we finish that front part, we'll go ahead and get these rear side windows in place on both sides. And I don't know, we have time to try to get the rear tailgate and hatch back on as well. Continue putting the truck back together. We've already got the back tailgate on, and right now we're going to go ahead and get the last window back in place, which is the rear window. We've been doing little things here and there to get it ready to get inspected. I've got all the door handles back in place, the mirrors and the lights. Last thing we need to do is get the dash back in place and the odometer, so we can hopefully get it inspected and passed, and then I can start driving it. That's going to be it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed. Going to continue putting everything back together, and some good news is that the truck did pass inspection, and now I've been driving it around and slowly working on it. So that's going to be it for now. I'll show you updates as they come and continue putting the truck together. There's a few things I want to do. One thing I want to do is install some carpet in there because it had that rubber liner. And then also I want to install some audio, some speakers in the sub, because right now I've been using like a little Bluetooth radio or a little Bluetooth speaker, and it works. It was fine at the beginning. Now I'm starting to get tired of it, and I want something a little bit louder because once you get on the highway you really can't hear it. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you all enjoyed. Check y'all later.
Oh,